afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to do the 2025 Feb March series paper, and today we will try to cover the documentation production task. Let's start it. We'll start with the task 2. You are going to edit a report for a seed trailer. They use a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Using a suitable software package, open a file M2521 document. All right, so we'll go here. Now, the page setup is set to A4 portrait and 2 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes to this document. 3 paragraph styles have already been created and 2 have been applied to the document. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. Save this document in your work area as a crop. Okay, so we'll go here, we'll go to file, save as, browse. Now, the document name should be cropped. Now we'll change the format to Microsoft Word. We'll go to our support file folder. And we'll save the file. Done. Now, place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of all the file types. We'll go to our support file, open evidence. Okay, now we'll paste the first screenshot of our document. We take the screenshot showing the crops. Document is been stored in the file. Okay. We'll paste this in our file. Yeah. Next. Place in a footer of the crop document your name, center number, candidate number, left align. We'll go to insert, and then we will put header and footer. Here they're asking us to put in a footer your name, center number, candidate number, and the automated page right align. Okay, so first we will put the page number. Page number should be right align. Okay, so go and we'll select the right align. Okay. Now, before that, what we have to put? We have to put our name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, here ABC name, center number is IN123, candidate number is 1234. Okay, we need to align the name, center number, candidate number to the document. We'll make sure it will not overlap. All right, done. Make sure that all alignment match the page margin. Yes, we can see here everything is aligned properly. Note other text is included in the footer area. Yep, we have only name, center number, candidate number, and the page number. The footer is displayed on all the page. Let us see. Yep, it is displayed on all the page. Okay, create and store the following style. This is it on the default normal paragraph style. So we are going to create a style for this document. So the first style is CR subheads. Okay, now we'll go to styles. So here from the home function, I would like you to use, just click on the styles, make sure it is properly aligned to your document. Okay, now we are going to create a first style. So here is the option for new style. Click on new style. Before you start editing the style, you need to make sure that style is in a normal mode. So we will make sure that all the style based on normal. Done. Okay, the name of the style is CR subhead. Type here CR subhead. Then font style, like as I told you in previous video, sans serif is Arial, serif is Times New Roman. So here it is sans serif, means Arial. We'll go to format, we'll go to font. So we'll select Arial. Font size is 14. Size is 14. And alignment is left. We will press OK. Then we will go to format. For alignment, I would like you to go on paragraph function. Alignment is left. Press OK. Yeah, so now what is the last point here? The line spacing should be single line space, 0 before 0 and after 10. Okay, so for this again we will go to format, paragraph, before a single line spacing, and this is 10. Now it's there already. Now yes, we're done with the CR subheads. Okay, now take a screenshot, show that you have defined the setting of CR subhead styles and place in your evidence document. So we'll go subheads, right click. Okay, we will click on subhead, modify the subheadings. Okay, now I will take screenshot and then paste in your evidence file. Okay. Control V. Let's move to the next question. Okay, the style name TR table has been already created. Okay, so now what they are asking us to do, to modify this. Okay, so now we'll go here, CR table, click here and modify. Okay. Let me click. Where is this table? Modify the table. Okay, now what we have to do, CR table font style is serif. Serif, let me tell you again, students, serif is Times New Roman, sans serif is Arial. Okay, sans serif is Arial and serif is Times New Roman. So this is Times New Roman, and 10 points. We have to make sure this 10 point and center align. We'll go to format, paragraph, alignment should be center align, italic. Okay, so press, we need to select italic to make sure it is italic, single line spacing and 0 0. Again for this we will go to paragraph, single line spacing, it is already by default to 0 0. Press OK and then press OK. Alright, so we're done. Take a screenshot, to show how you modify the CR table style. The table, click on modify. I'll take one screenshot here. Yeah. So press OK. Let's move to the next question. Add a text by followed by space, name your center number, candidate number to the title, global crop report, the top of the document. For example, global crop report reported by a candidate. So I have this here. So let me, yeah, so, okay. So now this was here, so space followed by space I. Okay, if you want to put colon, or else you can just simply write your name, ABC, name, center number, IN 123, candidate number 1234. Done. The styles here had already been created, so apply the style to the global crop. Okay, so I'll select this. Right. Yeah, got it. Next, apply a bullet point list to the text from fungi to the animals themselves. Students, I would like to tell you one thing here. In few question paper, they will ask you, like, in my upcoming exams, they might ask you to apply the bullets in a different format. You have to make sure once you go on bullet, okay, options, you can define bullet, you can get more bullet samples here, symbols and samples. Okay, so you can use those bullets to make sure that your bullet is properly aligned. So for the time being, in this paper they gave us to apply a normal bullet, so I will go here and the dot bullet, which is a default bullet. Next, the bullet are aligned to left margin, so here we'll select and align to left margin. Yeah, done. Next, list in a single line spacing. I will select this, right click, paragraph, single line spacing, no space before or after the line, so before and after is 0 0 0, and press OK. Done. Okay, so now there should be a 6-point space after the last line, so I select here paragraph, okay, and after this 6 and press OK. So now I got the 6-point gap. Identify the six subheadings to the document and apply the style, which is CR subheads. So first is introduction. We'll apply the subhead 1. Second is crop diversity, subhead 2. Then we have third is climate change, subhead 4. Then we have increase in yield, subhead 5. So in education, let's select the subhead, and then you'll use it as the conclusion, the last part, 7. Okay, yeah, so done. We selected all 6. Now we applied the subhead. Now select the subheading crop. Okay, the subheading crop diversity. Okay, up to followed by the text including the paragraph ending with plants or males. So now I'm going to select crop diversity till the plant in our males. Okay, change the page layout. Students, this is a very important step which is must required to fulfill all the parameters or to fulfill all the requirement of our task documentation production. So I would request you to do not forget this step in your exams. Okay, so it should be 2 columns equal width. Okay, so now 2 centimeter space. So I do not want to forget this step. So now we'll go to layout, columns, more columns, 2 columns. Okay, and the space is 2 centimeter. So now it is, the spacing is 2 centimeter. Yeah, so we got it, the 2 centimeter spacing. So let me select the table and apply that table here, CR table. Yeah, so done. Now locate the table in the document insert a new row between crop item wheat and potato. So where is wheat and potato? Let me select this. Let me put the border first, then we will do some editing here. All borders. So where is wheat and potato? Yeah, in between wheat and potato they said. So we will click after the values of wheat, right click, insert below a new row, and the new crop name is cassava, cassava, and the value is 3%. Done. Next, apply a light gray color in between 20 to 40 for these two new rows. Okay, so select this and we go there and we'll look into the gray color which is in between 20 to 30 here. So it is 20 to 30 gray color. Done. All text, each row should be in one line. Okay, so that is there. And then format, before that format the first row of the table so that it becomes a single line. So I will. Okay, so now what they ask here, they ask us to apply, okay, one black internal and external grid are display when printed. Okay, so I will select table, then we'll go on the borders, then view grid lines. Okay, so done. Next, the table borders all data fit within a column width. Yes, everything is fit. So we will merge this. Yep. Now there is a 6-point space after the table. Okay, so let me fix this so that all this, yeah. So now everything, there is no text wrap, everything is fixed according to the given requirement. So after 6-point table, okay, so yeah, so we will format this so that to the right here. Done. Okay, so where we are, there is a 6-point after the 6-point space after the table. So I will click here after the table, right click, paragraph. Okay, we'll go here. Let me press enter. Okay, now right click, paragraph. It should be 6 points, and then press OK. Got it. Next. So this is the 6-point space, or else, yeah, 1 second, do it. Okay, now what they're asking here, there is a 6-point space after the table. So I will select the table, right click. Okay, we'll go to paragraph. Okay, after the table it should be 6 point. Okay, so now after the table, we'll go after the table and then right click, paragraph, it should be 6 points. Yeah, and then press OK. So done. See here, everything is in one column. Okay, so now here there is a 6-point after the table. Okay, 6-point space after the table. So we can enter, just bring down the text down and right click. We can make sure that this is paragraph and after is 6 points. Yeah. Done. Now next, import a image M2521 word crop.png and place in a paragraph beginning there are more than. Okay, so now here we need to find out this. Okay, we have to paste the image here. So Control F, the shortcut command you can use here. Control V. Yeah, here we are going to import. Now to import the image, we will use the feature of insert Microsoft Word from this document. Okay, we'll picture and then we'll go to desktop and then here from desktop, papers 2025, and here's the picture, insert the picture. Wow, it's big. Now rotate the image to 180 degree, right click, sizing and positioning, we'll go to size, rotation 180, enter. Resize the image width to 2 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter, right click, sizing and positioning, height is 2 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. Okay, done. It should be it is aligned to the left column margin and crop of the paragraph starting. There are more than, yeah, so text wrap around the image. So we'll use square so that we will make sure that it is around the image. Good. Next. So we are in our final last question. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list and the table are not split over the column page. There is no widows and orphans and all. So first we will do the spell check. For spell check, dear student, I would like you to use a shortcut command called F7. Once you press F7, you will get a proofread option here. Okay, just ignore the thing which you ignore the nouns and check for the spelling mistake error. So here it's pets, so pets, and then here is R, here is and it is long term. Okay, long term, and then plentiful. So spell check and grammar check is completed. So make sure the list and the table are not split. Yeah, nothing, list and table is not split. Yeah, everything is fine here. Next, there is no widows and orphans. Okay, so I'll go here, paragraph. Okay, we can see widows and orphans here in our document. No widows and orphans, so we uncheck, it is not there, so there is no widows and orphans. Next, there are, okay, there are no blank page, no blank page. Yep. Original style maintained, yes. All style are applied constantly, yes, we applied. Spacing is constantly in between the items, yeah, and everything is fine. So yeah, we're done with our paper. So now we will save the file, save as one more time in our confidential folder. Save. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the session. If you have any doubts, yes, please feel free to ping me, definitely in comment box. I will help you out. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.